Hello, hello, my loves. We are going to be showing you today my husband's place in Bulacan. So we're going to be going there. We're going to use Jeep Rubicon. Let's see how it looks. Coming with my mom and dad. And Aiden is with us, my son. And also Albert is going to be driving. The other car will be Fortuner. That will be with my brother, my cousin, and my sister-in-law. So they're going to be driving this car. And this is our house. This is our house in the Philippines. Looks like we're in California, but we're not. Here's the house. And this is our car. So we wanted actually a Jeep Rubicon car. So pretty. Look at that. With the mags and everything. Looking so fabulous right now. Oh wow! What is the color of this car? Black? No. Look at the car. And this one goes down. This is our driver. This is the Jeep car that my father owned here in the Philippines. Purchased what year?
Yeah, 2022.
Okay. 3 years ago, because it's already 2025, guys.
Yeah, maybe it is coming.
But you guys, how many mileage so far?
It's very...
40,860 kilometers.
4,860 kilometers. Okay. And this is Wrangler, right? Rubicon.
Rubicon.
Rubicon. 4x4. Okay, so we'll catch you later on our Starbucks stopover. Okay, so pretty. This is my look for today. I'll show you my look later, but yes. Okay, so we're ready en route to Bulacan, but we're stopping over first to get some coffee. And yeah, we're here. That is sitting there. Mom, hi. Aiden is already asleep. Look at the new road over here. Paano tawag? What do you call?
River Drive.
And then
Going to Evia.
Evia. Oh wow.
Punta kami ng Evia.
So we're going to Evia, to Skyway. We're gonna get some Starbucks first. But look at this new road that they made. New directions. Faster shortcut route. Look at this. See? Okay. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, we're here in Evia.
Send sa group.
Park na lang.
Hey, we're right here at Evia Lifestyle Center. And look at this beautiful place. This is a mall over here. And this is where we're gonna have our Starbucks. Yeah, I miss this place. I usually hang out here in Alabang. Okay, this is the Starbucks here. Okay. Good morning. Look at the foods over here. I think I'm gonna have a banana bread mix. Wow, look at the toll here. Skyway. Okay, we just went to Starbucks and had this order for the food. I have 2 food for myself, banana bread and cinnamon roll. And then this is the drink. So perhaps we could do cheers. Can you do cheers, Dad?
No.
Kami na lang siguro. That's Albert drink. It's having pinky drinky. Let's cheers. I'm having the caramel ice shaken oat milk latte. Cheers, pa, mother. Love you. Daddy, how's the ride so far? I'm asking you. Of the jeep. So far, so good. Let's try this ice shaken drink. So good. And then we're gonna try also Albert's drink, of course. His drink is my drink. He doesn't have any choice with that. Okay, so let's try the Pinky Drinky with coconut milk. Okay, this is the drink. It's okay. I feel like there's more water on it. Okay, this is the Skyway. Pa, may improvement na ba dito? Ito na ba talaga yun?
Ganda na nga.
Okay, so this is the Skyway. And how many more hours? Yeah, so at exactly 12 p.m. perhaps we'll be in your place in Bulacan. So we'll show you Casa Alfonso's home in Bulacan. Let's see if it's really a nice place or not. Is it a nice place or moderate? Okay, let's see. And we're doing convoy right now. Okay, well, we'll be eating and okay, so far so good yung sticky bun. Haven't tried this for 6 years. Na-miss ko kainin. Sticky cinnamon bun.
Ito na iya.
May
Lamig
ilang oras
na.
uwi natin? Ay, ang biyahe natin, ilang oras na?
Mga 11:50 man nandun na tayo.
Guys, we are already here in Makati. Look at the buildings out here. We're still in the Skyway, right, Pa? When in Manila. Oh, look at the tall buildings. So you guys could, enjoy Philippines without the hassle. Because mostly the road is 3 to 5 lanes, no? See? And then, when you buy things here, not that expensive. So, a little bit less pricey than US price. So, it's also good to have vacation here. Wow! Hi! Oh my God! Nice yung ride.
Nice.
Okay guys, so we actually 20 kilometers away from Albert's home, Casa Alfonso, about 40 minutes. So here in the Philippines, it's more on kilometer than miles. But here's the look over here. Oh, it looks refreshing here. But are we already in your province? Yeah, so this is my husband's province. He said that I should take a quick video of the street going in, right? Yeah. So I'll show you guys soon. RFID. So the arc of their province is we're near to that. Malolos, Bulacan. So if you guys haven't been here for so long, like us, you haven't been here for 10 years, so he's so excited. Are you tense? You say hi to your chicas.
Aray.
Yeah, so
Tingnan mo ma. Sa niya yan eh.
okay, so that's Bulacan. We're officially in Bulacan. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty here. Lungsod, Malolos, Lalawigang, Bulacan.
Nasa Bulacan kami.
Yeah, we made it to your province.
Pupunta kami kay Balaha.
Yeah.
Imbiki.
We're coming to see Mom Shi soon. Oh my gosh, there's a nice Starbucks here. What can you say? Is there anything?
Okay, dito kami nagsasama.
Yeah, so Albert says it's more clear. Or perhaps because it's Sunday. We have passed the Malolos Sports Center and the Malolos City Hall. So, Centro Escolar University, this is where
Yeah.
Albert started a college. What degree did you took? IT.
IT ka?
So, are you like maximizing that degree? That I don't think so. You're not very helpful when I need help for like
Kaya pala.
Okay, just kidding.
Ay,
He's very helpful, guys. Okay, we're almost there at Albert's place at Casa Alfonso. So let me show you, we are 1 minute away for 100 meters. So this is their area. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see 1 minute for 100 meters. And that's their place over here. What can you see with your
tumaas yung kalsada.
tumaas? Okay. So, tumaas daw po yung kalsada. Road widening or ano yung pasukan nyo?
Ito.
Ayan na si Kuya Lester.
Snap!
Kuya!
Sige. Ito ma, ano namin?
Ito yung
building
ano,
namin.
Ito yung pasukan sa kanila. Entrance.
Aha.
Entrance of...
Talagang ano eh.
Oh, yan.
Wow.
Wow, welcome to Casa Alfonso.
Wow. Lupa niyo pala dito eh. Alam ni Berting.
Wow!
Berting! Nakawi sa
Wow!
Masaya si Berting.
Daddy?
Aiden.
After 10 years, nakauwi na siya. What can you say? Wow, talagang umabansi pa eh, na kaunti. Okay, let's go down. Let's get a
Hey,
tour.
saan to?
Are you gonna tour me, Daddy?
Yes.
Ito na saan?
Okay, so it's tour time. Can you get us on a tour?
Dito talaga naasikaso.
Pwede na pag-shooting. Ay, pasok na tayo.
Hi, say hi. We're here.
Ah, laki. Ayun yung...
Wow! Hi, Moms! Gano'n naman, naka-dress ka pa. Wow! Aiden, you're here. Si Johnny, Momshi. Pampalitan na, Mamsh. Okay, so this is Faji. This is the BYD of Papito, of my father-in-law. Wow, Aiden!
Kay Lula! Ayan o! Oh.
Ang presko naman. Hi, Pot-Pot!
Ganyan ni Papa. Mabilog tayo. Wala akong siraan niya. Wala naman kami dito. Papaayos na lang.
Awang taray naman. May table setting pa si Momshi. Hi, Ate Jennifer. Wow! Wow! Shrimp po. Gulay. Cajun. Nag-Cajun pa si Mamshi. Mamshi, inutak to. Inutak. Wow. Super. Hello po ate. Ano pong pangalan nyo?
Minerva.
Hi, Minerva. Si ate Minerva. Wow, may sinigang ba yan ate? Nilaga. Tinga-ingain.
Laga ako para sa baby.
Tour mo muna ako saglit.
We have arrived.
So, and I wanted to show you guys Albert's home here. Bisama kayo? Okay, so this is the second floor. This is my first time being here. Oh my gosh. I can feel the ghost. Just kidding. Ooh. Antique siya, no? Ang ganda here magtambay. There's a piano there. Like, pali ka muna. Ikot muna tayo.
Ay, dito ka pala itong piano.
Piano ko pa. Pero sira niya.
Ayan.
Ayun pa, banig yung ano namin, bubong.
Banig.
Ah, ganito na.
Banig.
Pakita mo yun.
Alam mo na sila yung lakas yung hangin. Siguro yung taxi doon.
Nagkaroon ng ano, Mark.
Oh, yeah.
Buksan mo na yung ikon doon sa kwarto
Ito
mo.
yung kwarto natin.
Ito yung dati kwarto ni ano.
Banyo.
Ni Philip. Dito kami, Mams.
Dito tayo.
Wow, thank you, Mams.
Sa akin.
Okay.
Oh, sige, at least okay lang. Baka sa bata pa.
Oo nga eh.
Oo.
Ano, may iwan dito si Mare. Sasaway sa pag-uwi nila, tabi kami doon. Oh. Diba? Oh, dito kayo. Buksan mo na yan.
Bakit?
Mamaya na.
Maiwan daw si ano.
Si Mother.
Fritz. Fritz.
Iwan ba siya? Gusto niyo bang...
Ito kwarto ko.
That's Albert's. Doon ka talaga natutulog, Daddy? Daddy, doon ka talaga natutulog? Oo nga.
Yung buong rebellion eh.
Nung baby pa siya, di ba? Yan na nga lang yung picture namin kasi nagkabasa-basa doon nung magbaha.
Oo. Daddy, pinakita mo na. Saan si Mother tumira dyan? Si Lola. Oh, that's the picture frame of some of the picture frames, photos here. Johnny, ikaw nga. This is Mamshi's Papitos. Oh.
Meron pa rin sila.
Patingin, Mamsh. Oh, dito ka naliligo, Mamsh.
Dati kami apat.
Wow,
Mga
laki.
bata. Oh, ayan. Dito kayo maligo kasi walang heater doon sa kabila.
Sige, Mamsh.
Ito.
Ganda, Mamsh.
Labas pa rin ito doon sa pool.
Ah, yeah. Yan yung ano. Gusto ko to. Dito si Philip. Sino natutulog dito na ngayon?
Mga soids talaga. Wala na.
Sino natutulog dito?
Ayan pa rin yung mga ano nila, oh.
Soids ko, wala na. Sira na din.
Alam mo ito eh.
Yan yung sinasabi namin.
Ito
Antek.
yung...
Yan, oh, mga
Alam mo kung saan yan.
Sino natutulog dito ngayon?
China.
Ngayon?
Kami natutulog.
Ah, wala.
Ilang piraso lang yan.
Pero na, ano na
Na yung
mapaprot...
mga parang ano lang yan ng ano, yung mga artist. Siguro mga 11 lang piraso.
Dati-
No. Tsaka paikot kami ng ano, ng terrace. Open lahat sa terrace. Kumain mo tayo. Parang meron tayo may cook. Mamaya rin yung tour dito. Mamaya siya tayo. Ay, yan, pinaprint ko lang yan. Binili yan ni David, ano, yung tel lang siya. Tapos pinaano ko. Diba? Maganda, diba? Yan, maganda yan. Galing Egypt. Egypt na. Ah, galing Egypt. Yung ano, yung tel na yan. Tel yan, tapos pinaprint ko.
Okay, I'll show you guys the second floor. Terrace. Look. So refreshing over here. There's also basketball court there. May ilog. River ba yun?
Ano yung chip? Fish pan.
Fish pond.
Nagtitinda ng alahas.
This is my mom.
Pagod na yung mama niya. Ako yung yaya.
She's my mom. She's my life.
Dede. This is Dede.
Stop. Look at the pool. This is like fish pond over here. Okay. And we're gonna have lunch.
Ang mga ibon, alam mo ba kung tawag sa ibon na yan? Baling sa sayaw. Yan daw yung ibon na baling sa sayaw.
Oh, yeah. Okay, there's a kubo there too. Let's eat first. Okay, let's go. Okay, enjoy. Thanks, Mom.
Hindi ako magagaling ba? May nagkataon.
Tito Arnold, Tita Ninang.
Tito David, ang ganda ng bahay nyo.
Oh, ang daming food. Papito, we're already here. Tiglen? Triple cheesecake. Ay, Natnat! Ang cute-cute naman ni baby, Natnat. Okay, this is my food. Mom, she have prepared. And Ate Jennifer, we're eating now. Okay, we're ready for desserts for our part 2. Ano to, Pat? What is this?
Cheese donut and pickle cheese donut.
Wow, alam ni Pat ha. Regular. With inutak pa here.
Masura tayo para sa ukoy.
Ice cream. Ube. Wow, this is our favorite. Nathaniel's. Oh, kain na. The triple cheese is so good, I promise. This is the triple cheese. So good. Huli! Dessert na kami. Hello po! Hi, Tito. Hello po. Johnny na lang, si Johnny na lang. Ay, may ibon kayo. Ang laki ng bahay niyo.
May basketballan ako dun.
Marami ka talagang chicks dito pwedeng dalhin.
Puno ko nga yan dati. Gusto. Buti dito nilagay. Beer. Pagbili na ako na kay
Papakali ka na?
Hey guys, so this is the inutak. May ano pala ito, Tiglen? Parang ube flavor. Okay, we're gonna...
Wawa.
Albert will put ice cream on it. So this is inutak with ube ice cream. We're gonna get a lot. So that's it.
Asa na?
Ito na lang muna try.
Pakilala mo.
Rating is 10 out of 10. Promise, it's so good. The inutak is from Pateros, and the ube ice cream is it Magnolia? Ube ice cream, Tiglan? Yeah, Selecta. From the Philippines. Yeah, only here in the Philippines. Tito Arnold.
Habang nagpapatito yung driver ko, bantayan mo ha, baka hindi tanggalin lahat ng lang. Ako naman nasa labas, pero buti yung bag ko nasa loob. Eh naninigarilyo ako sa labas, nakikipagkwentuhan ako.
Gusto rin ni Tita Vicky.
7 ako, Dor.
Pumunta tayong Dubai.
Bro.
Aiden! Aiden!
Ay, ito.
Ay, pinapinturahan.
Punturan, wala na.
Bert. Wow, 2.5 hours. Full charge, BYD. Dami go. Okay, so this is the BYD car. What's the name, kuya?
Sea Lion 6.
Sea Lion. Why Sea Lion ang pangalan?
Yung mukha niya kasi Sea Lion.
Kasi may ganito.
May ano siya?
Make sense. Oo.
Maraming
Ang ganda oh. Eden? Lights, Kuya Lester, pailawin mo nga.
Ayun, hindi ba ko? Tama?
Grabe, ang ganda oh. So, built-in na siya? Or you have to add it?
Built-in na yan. Hi, BYD. Open the sunshade.
Wow! Eden, look oh! Wow!
Ang gandulo pala.
Ay, wow! Ang ganda! Nadiig yung ano.
Anis. Hey, BYD, close the sunshade.
Wow, may dun. Dun.
There's like aircon here. There's Apple C chargers, connector, and USB charger, and the passenger seat is we have a flat here for your convenience. Look at the details.
Manual lang.
The stereo speaker is Infinity, made by JBL. Ohoy! Okay, cheers guys!
Here.
We miss drinking San Miguel! Hello mga Tito! Kuya, I'll visit the other guys at the other side. Look at their place here. It's so huge. It's so refreshing. Feels like province. Yeah, we're really in province. These are like the cars. Wow, nagtatampisaw yung mga birds. Hi, Momshi. Very refreshing here. Yung mag-honey pie. Asyenda ni Aiden. Fish pond. Dito to nag-basketball si Albert. It's 26 na muna. Hindi man kita love eh. Joke. Mangga. Albert is using the drone. Can you see the drone? That's the drone.
Doon, kuhanan mo sila doon, mga nagiinom. Yes!
Wow! Go, 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 go! Wow, Aiden! Hi, Molly! Ang cute naman ng baby na yan. Appear, appear! Clap, clap, clap.
Close up and close up and
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Tara na.
Tara na, let's go. Ay, ayaw.
No, no, no.
I kind of have a goosebumps. I hope we are okay to sleep at Alfonso's guest room, but
Yung mga, ano na nila yan.
dito ka before.
Dito ako dati. Ay, mahangin. Kasi doon ako sa harap. Nakikita ko lahat ng dumadaan.
Bakit ano kayong labas nun?
Okay lang yun. Doon wala, nakatira sa kabila.
Yung batang lalaki ko na to.
Oh, that's you. We're doing a quick tour again. Before my... Another room here. Guest room pa to, ma'am? Hindi na.
Dito yung issue. But, kaya pag ano, pinapayos mo, guess ako na. Yung ayos. Yung aking mga dito.
Yun yung puon mo, ma'am.
Overhouse ko eh.
Johnny showed the attic. So we are now at the attic on the third floor of Casa Alfonso. Look, it's all in banig.
Ilawang ka
With the roof.
Ay, speaker ko. Sige, ilawang kita.
Ay, wala. Johnny, hindi naka-speaker pala.
Hey!
Dito ka, Johnny. Dito ako sa likod mo, Johnny.
Diamonds in the sky! Laki niyan, ma'am siya. Diamante. You want diamonds? That's mom, she's diamonds here in the Casa Alfonso's house. Yes! That's Aiden's diamond.
Masakit na ulo. Oo, masakit na ulo. Sakit ulo mo.
So, Mom, she and the Alfonso family will show us the Hagonoy Sports International in the IMG tailoring. Yeah, so let's take a look. Welcome. Let's go. Ang patahian nila. Ay, laki pa din. Laki pala. Hello po. Dito ka ba nagtatrabaho, tita? Tita, ikaw
Oo, Dini. Ayun ang kuya mo. Ayun ang pumunta sa bahay.
Bakit?
Nahihiya. Ewan ko naman sa kuya mo.
Mga mananahi.
Wala ko, di mananahin na yun. Nakabakasyon.
Wow, ano yan, ate? Off-high. Oh, sila yung gumagawa niya. Yung kliyente. Off-high. Okay.
Ano tawag dito dati?
Ford what? Okay, let's go upstairs.
Ayan, siyempre.
Hello po! Hello, hello po! Okay naman po, kamusta po kayo?
Okay, sa ano, sa... Yung sa...
Facebook.
Oo, pero... Kala ko...
Hi ate! Ano pangalan mo ate?
Claudine po, Claudine.
Si ate Claudine, si ate. Ate, interview pala ng mga... Ay, yan ba si ate Lulu? Si ate Lulu at ko naririnig.
Office ni Papa mo.
Dati meron sa doon, sarili. Hindi naman yung na-officean.
Ayaw naman niya doon mag-isa.
Mag-isa siya doon. Tingnan alis ko.
Asan ang shoes niyan?
Wala na.
Batang Yagit goes to Hagonoy. Sports Inc. Sige po.
Ikot tayo.
Sige po.
Ikot daw to.
Bye-bye, Bebe. Bye-bye.
Ikaw muna. Oh, malaki ka muna. Bye-bye.
Say hi, anak.
Ano lang mga.
Oh. Yung gusto magtingin, no, ma'am? Mga sample.
Ay, nakita ko na yung mami.
Oh, sorry, Papa. Ay, oo. Yeah. May mga pang sundalo rin pala.
Oo, yun yung ano.
Ay, edi maraming umu-order niyan. Sample bags, as per Kuya Lester. Ano yung bag mo yung maganda? Yung gamit mo ngayon, wala yung dito. Yung gamit ni Bert na bag.
Oh, yung may camera. Camera ba?
Click.
Oo, pero wala niya siya dito.
Oh, ito.
Oo, yan. Yan. Ginagamit yan sa ano.
Alin, ma'am?
Ginagamit niya yung artista
Ito.
niyan sa pelikula. Ganyan.
Phase 5. Ito po siya. That's the sample room. Oh, I wasn't able to show here. Mga barong, mga more bags. Oh, tama ma'am siya may ganito. Ah, parang ganito yung lagayan ng baril ni Papa. Daddy! Yung lagayan ng baril ni Papa parang ganito. Nakita mo ba? Ang dami palang sample. Shirt on. Mga barong. Ito ba yung suot mo, mams? Ano, isang araw?
Ay, hindi ganyan.
Parang ganda niya, no?
Meron tayo nito.
Binibenta niyo yun sa Amazon?
Oo, meron yan sa Amazon. Meron tayo niyan doon.
Oh, ganda niya, no?
Oh, ito oh.
Oh, for one.
Dito doon. Office niya, oh.
Ah, malaki. Ayaw niya dito.
Eh, mag-isa sa lang siya dito eh. Pag may bisita siguro.
Yeah.
Ito office niya. Wala yan.
No, office niyo. Aiden, mag-office ka na doon. Dali na.
Sit down.
Sit ka doon. Ikaw mag-office doon. Ano nga yung pangalan?
Aiden po. Ate Lulu. Apo. Sumasama. Ate Lulu yan.
Hangin sa lamon.
Malaki po ba siya dati? Ah, yan yung pinick up mo, kuya. Hello po, ate. Ano ba pangalan nyo? Ate Lenny. Hello, Ate Lenny. Ano?
Preparation dito. Cutting job. Preparation.
Cutting here. And then preparation do sa dulo. Ah, okay. Nananahina do sa dulo. Oh, wow. Mga expert.
Ito, prep. Pinuputol mga
Prepping.
piniprep yung mga tela.
Ah.
Minamarking.
Hello, ate. Parang familiar si ate. Makikita ko si ate. That's it for the Casa Alfonso tour. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Okay. Catch you later.